All right, guys. So this is episode 2. We're going to be discussing the different types of trends. So let's get straight into this. All right. So if you remember from last time, I talked about bullish candles and bearish candles, right? Bullish is going up, bearish is going down. So the trends, we have a bullish trend, which is going up, bearish trend, which is going down, but we also have a consolidation period, which means that it's neither going up or down. Okay, well, it's technically going up and down, but it's not going in any which way in a decisive way. So it's kind of just going, yeah, like I put sideways. I'll give an example of that, obviously. So let's look at the bullish trend. Make sure you guys have your notes and just copy what I do on your notes. So bullish trend, we go up, come back a little bit, come back up, go even higher, come back a little bit higher, come back a little bit, and then even higher, right? So this is a perfect uptrend, right? Obviously, in the market, it's never going to look like that exactly, right? So what we have here at the beginning, like I said, we go up, come down, and then come back up, right? What this is called right here, this little spot right here, this is the higher part, this is the lower part, right? So what we reference this is a higher high, and then we have a higher low because this is lower from this prior low, right? If that makes sense. So then we go up and we have a higher high because we're higher than this previous high. Going back down, we have a lower high because we are higher than our previous low. Go back, higher high because we're higher than our previous high. Then a higher low because we're higher than our previous low, right? And then so on and so forth. All right. So a bearish example, start off high, go down low, come back a little bit higher, then go lower, then go high a little bit, go even lower, high a little bit again, go even lower than that, right? So the same exact thing is the bullish trend, but reverse, right? So we start off, this is our first low, retrace a little bit, then our second low, right? So like before, but the names are a little bit different. This is our previous lower low, and then this is the new lower low. This was the higher low, then this is the next higher low, if so on and so forth, right? So lower low, lower low, lower low, right? Make this red. All right, hope I'm explaining this good enough. All right, and then consolidation. So it moves kind of sideways. So we're kind of like, boom. Obviously, it's never going to move like this, right? But I'm trying to be as literal as possible. So you see, it's not really going anywhere. It's kind of just staying in the same sideways line, moving horizontally, right? I'll change the color of this to whatever, purple. All right. All right. So bullish uptrend. Let me change this to green. All right. Bullish uptrend. Higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. Bearish trend. Boom. So we have lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, then lower low. Consolidating. We have neither anything because it's kind of we're not breaking any highs or lows. It's kind of just moving sideways, like not really doing anything. All right. So those are different kinds of trends there. Let's see. Let's see if I can find some examples in the actual chart. Right. See if I can find an easy, clean example. Easy, clean example. Let's see. Got a big old gap there. Easy, clean example. I might have to go to another pair because it's kind of okay. If I zoom in, this kind of looks like a decent example. It's never gonna be perfect, like I said. This is a good downtrend. As you can see, clearly is moving down. But if you wanted to pick up the highs and the lows, so let's see. We start here. Down, retrace up a little bit. Down, retrace up, down. Right? That's the downtrend. I wish I could find you a better example than that, but gotta work with what I have. Now, an uptrend. To do this little small section here. So we're going up, start from here, going up, down, going up, kind of consolidated, up, down, up, down, up, etc. Right? Consolidation. That's gonna be easier to find. So you see this little area here. This is consolidation. So you see up, not really doing anything, going down a little bit, but it's not really breaking the highs or the lows, right? It's kind of just, like I said, sideways. So this is something you would never really look to trade in the future. And then boom, shoots back up. This is a clear uptrend, right? Going up. So up, down, up, down, and then it starts to consolidate and then it changes character. That's something I'm gonna get into the next video because that's even more complicated. I want to keep these videos as short as possible and just make it very easy for you guys. All right. So let's go back to where I started. I forgot where I even wrote all that stuff at. Okay. If you're watching this on your phone, screenshot this, print it out, or just keep it in your phone and just study this. And like I said, download TradingView. And then also you can pay, so it's free, but you're going to get little pop-up ads every once in a blue moon when you're clicking around, right? So if you're fine with that, especially if you're not trading yet, that's perfectly fine. If you don't need to set alert, you just don't buy it until you get an account and want to start trading and like making some money, all right? So just get the demo account. It's free. And then also you can get the demo account of something called FX Replay. And you can back test on that even though we're not there yet. But make an account on this too. You can get a free account with this too. I don't pay for this because if you pay for TradingView, you can back test on this as well. So there's no point really. So yeah, I hope you guys understand trends. But like I said in the last video, anything you're kind of struggling with, just leave it in the comment below and I'll try to address it in another video or in the comment section. But yeah, see y'all next time. All right, peace.